channels. So please bear with me. I'll be with you shortly. Okay, I don't think it's liking it, Emily. Okay, we're live on YouTube now. We're live on LinkedIn and Facebook. Okay. Would you be able to enable the chat on the live stream, please? I don't know why it's got disabled. Okay. This is what happens when we try and do too many things at the same time. So we're gonna leave it the way it ought to be, and we'll get started. Gone back again. Yeah. Is it live on YouTube? Yeah, it is live now. The chat seems to be disabled. Yeah. Okay, we're all good to go now. Apologies for the slight delay. I believe the chat should be enabled. I'm getting it as disabled. So Emily is going to be keeping an eye on it, and we'll make sure that the chat is enabled for you. So okay, let's get started and get the show on the road. No, it hadn't uploaded for 3-4 minutes. It has now. Fine. Hi, Mustafa. Brilliant. Thank you all. We tried to upload live stream on Instagram as well at the same time, but it was just causing too much confusion, so we'll leave it alone as it is. I think 5 channels are more than enough. So 4 o'clock in the UK. Thanks for joining in. My name is Ozair, and every weekday at this time we go live on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, not Instagram, Facebook. Where do we go live? Gone blank. Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. Thank you, Emily. Okay. Where am I? I need to get myself back on track. Today we've got YouTube video discovery ads, which I'll be going through. These are another way to get your message, brand, product across in front of your target audience. The good thing about discovery ads are, as the name actually suggests, you get discovered on YouTube. And this is what we are going to be focusing on today: how to get somebody to stumble upon or find your product or service when they are searching for something. The good news is YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google owns it, and we've got billions and billions of video hours every month on YouTube, where you can find yourself in front of your target audience. So when you go to YouTube, you've got the search bar at the top. You'll put some phrase or a word to find your particular topic, and that's where you put your video ad in front of it. So let's start our process with the, where is it, Google Support Center, and we'll have a quick read through, and then I'm going to go into Google Ads, and we'll make up a new campaign. Now, what you want to do is to just go through what Google is saying about YouTube, and then we'll set up our campaign, right? People get confused. Why are we going in Google Ads? Because we are setting up a YouTube ad. Well, the YouTube ads are set up, maintained, managed, and run through the Google Ads, right? So we'll come here, True View, Video Discovery Ads, and how they work. So video discovery ads can run on YouTube search results and the watch pages for both desktop and m.youtube.com, which is the mobile version, as well as the mobile app homepage. So it'll go on all three places. The ad unit consists of an image thumbnail and up to 3 lines of text. Now this is where it differs from the in-stream video. Clicking the ad will deliver a user to the YouTube watch or channel page to view the video, rather than playing the video within the ad unit itself. So you will not be able to send them to your landing page. You send them either to your YouTube watch or channel page to view the video. And this is where you can start to build up your subscribers, views, engagement on your channel or on your videos. Then we'll quickly go through the YouTube results. So this is how it's going to come up, and you'll probably seen it where it says in that little orange box, ad. So these are the 2 discovery ads, and these are organic rankings at the bottom. So that is on the search results. So somebody has searched for Google Glass and the ads have popped up at the top. Then we've got the video watch page, where the ad is going to come up on the right hand side of the video. You can also see there are 2 other ads. One is the 728 by 90, and this is the 300 by 250 ad. So these can be placed via the GDN or as a placement on a video page. Those are different ads. On the mobile, I quite like this one on the mobile homepage because it goes right under the actual, it fits in the whole, you can see the whole width of the page. The ad comes up nice and big. You've got your thumbnail or the image, headline, and the description. And then on the mobile web search and web pages, they will go on like that. So when somebody searches on the mobile, your YouTube discovery ads are going to show up like this. So there is nothing much, except you must upload your video to YouTube. Obviously, first of all, you cannot run these otherwise. Your image, choose from 4 auto-generated thumbnails. Now this is where it differs, and it is a bit different to your other ones, because if you want to upload your thumbnails, you will need to get your account whitelisted by your Google rep. But usually the thumbnails, you can select one, or one of the video screen grabs, which will show you, and I'll show you in a minute. Then you got your headline for 25 characters and 2 description lines of 35 characters each. So nothing different over there, other than in the Google search ads you have 30 characters, but over here you got 25. I'm not sure why they do this. Why don't they just keep it all consistent? Because different ads have got different character lengths. It just makes it a bit more confusing. Video ad settings, we don't need to worry too much about it. Well, you need to, because you need to have the right format. 16:9 or the 4:3 is the ratio recommended. Frame rate in the UK is 30 frames per second, and your maximum file size was 1 gig, which is more than enough for any kind of ad. And that's about it, really. And the reporting metrics you will find is impressions, clicks, and views, right? Okay, if you are new here, then please do put in the questions in the comment box. I'll come to them towards the end of the video. Hello Pratik, Mustafa, and Sandeep, and I'll come on to your question, Mustafa, later on. Okay, let's head into our Google Ads account. and I've got a campaign where I'm creating a campaign. I'm not going to create the campaign. We're going to head straight into our create your video ad. So you go to your video page or your channel page and you paste the URL of your video. It's going to pop up like this. Then you got two options here: skippable in-stream ad, which we don't want right now because these are the in-stream ads, the 5-second video ads which pop up before, during and after every video. And the other one is the video discovery ad. This is what we need. If you're not sure about what these mean, you hover the mouse over the question mark and the speech bubble is going to open up and it's going to tell you what this is. And it says the same thing: discovery ads can appear on YouTube search results next to related videos or on the YouTube homepage. And they invite users to click on a thumb consisting of an image and some text to watch the ad. How long the ad should be? It really depends. There's no hard and fast rule. As long as you are giving the right information, then it's fine. Because again, what you want to do is, they are not watching a video per se. Somebody has gone on YouTube and they've searched for a particular phrase, and then what's happened is the ads start to show up like this. Now this could be 1 minute long or it could be 1 hour long. It really doesn't matter, as long as it grabs their attention with the headline. Let's fill up the information first, and then we'll talk about how we get the click. So let's say I'm writing about this, the ad for this video. Yeah, so want to rank your ads in the top position and pay the lowest CPC. Watch this short video. Okay, then we have the two description line. Now as you can see that it does not show the full headline, although I have put in 87 characters out of 100, which is fine, but on the desktop it's going to show a little bit more. But as long as I've got a very attractive thumbnail, and by attractive I don't mean a pretty face, it's my face over here, which I wouldn't call pretty. You got to attract the click with the right message on it, and the text or a graphic or an image, so people can see, oh, what this is. Then I will put in here, I'm just going to copy this and paste this to save a bit of time. It's 835 characters long. Okay. And then you can put in the name of the video, which is the how to rank #1. This is not seen by the end user. It's just for your reference. If you got multiple videos in your ad group as an ad, then you can easily see what this is, rather than you put in something like the URL of the video, then you'll have to keep going to that URL and checking which video is which. So it's always best to just put the name or the title of the video as your ad name, so you can see and recognize it very easily and quickly. And this is pretty much it, really. You got your video discovery ad set up, and YouTube does the rest, because it will pull in the thumbnail from the video, and this is the options available. So if I want to use that one, if I find that, okay, this might be better, or that one, I can pick and choose out of these 4 thumbnails, any one of them. Then you'll get your title, you'll get your channel name, you get the little orange or yellow, whatever you want to call it, as the ad, so people can see it's an ad. The other good thing which I like about is the views. You can rank, get a lot of views by running these ads, and then when somebody sees, wow, this video has got 10,000 or 20,000 or 100,000 views, they are more likely to click on it compared to some other video which may be ranking organically and may have 20 views. So these will appear right at the top, as you saw earlier on how it appears. On the mobile is going to look like this, on the desktop is going to look like that, and on the right hand side where you get the related suggested videos over here, you will also get over there. So somebody is watching the video and all of a sudden something similar which I have searched for on either Google or YouTube, that ad appears. And this is why YouTube discovery ads are also one of the most powerful ways to get your name out in front, because you can target people who have gone to Google and searched for a term, or they are in the market to buy something. You can put your product or service in front of them very quickly and easily. The rest is all the same, like you would set up your normal campaign, ad groups, bids, etc. So there's nothing different over here. The only thing which is a bit different here is this button, which is the video discovery ad. And now I've got myself a video discovery ad campaign set up. I would also set up multiple video ads in the same ad group to test which one is getting the most clicks. And when they click on that and they go to either the view page or your channel page, wherever you are taking them, the views are going to count towards the video. So there's no way you can put in your website URL over here. The aim or the name of the game of this campaign is to get discovered. And once you get somebody to view any of your videos, they get pixelated into my or anybody's remarketing list. So you keep growing your remarketing list, send more videos towards them, and keep pushing them down the funnel. And this again at a fraction of the cost. So if you haven't started discovery ads, put up a small budget, £5 or $10 or something like that, and you'll find that you are going to increase your views, your reach, and more people are going to discover you. So I'm gonna say a quick hello to Instagram as well. People over there, don't want to neglect them. Well, we try to be very clever and resourceful by having two different phones and tried to have one on me and one on the screen and tried to go live, but it didn't work. So in the end, Emily is standing there with a phone in the hand. So if you are on Instagram, you should thank her for going live, because she is doing all the work, not me. So yeah, we've got 6 channels, six platforms today, Emily. So yeah, that's the first. So we keep growing. Okay, now it's the questions time. So please put in your questions now, and I'm gonna start to answer them for you. Okay, let me bring my laptop here. Okay, Mustafa, I created a call-only ad for a pay-per-call affiliate offer and I was suspended. Yes, absolutely. I've said many times before, please, please, please do not use affiliate links in any of Google Ads account. Is it because I'm using a different number from my country's account? Yeah, it could be any number of reasons. Google will suspend you if you are doing something call forwarding or the phone number is going somewhere else. I don't know how you set it up, but I'm really not surprised that the account got shut down. So please don't use any affiliate links in any ads. Hi Pratik. If I'm increasing campaign budget, the conversions get decreased in the and the ad spend increases. Okay. Does Google take time to adjust the increased budget? If not, then what shall I do? Well, I really don't know how you are running this campaign. Are you running manual CPC or smart bidding? And it really depends on how that is being run and set up. When you will find that when you try to increase or scale the budget, you will find that your cost per acquisition will go up as well, and this is where you just need to go up slowly and gradually and not rush in. So if you had $100 a day ad budget, don't go to 500 or 1,000. Go slowly, and this is where most people fall off, because they get excited that, oh wow, I'm getting my conversions and I want to scale it as much as I can, but it won't work. Go slowly, increase 15 to 20% every few days, and keeping a very close eye on the cost per acquisition, and then you will find that it is scalable. Hi Sandeep. You did 600 plus videos since the day one. When you look back, what is the first thing you remembered? How you faced negative or no reaction? How you take feedback from your audience or well-wishers? Great question. I really like this question. And I started my YouTube channel about 6 years ago. And I would put up 1 or 2 videos every now and then. They weren't very good and weren't getting any views. And that's why I did not upload more. There weren't any negative comments as such, because there weren't any views and there were no comments, no likes, no even dislikes. I mean, if people disliked, I would at least know that they don't like the content. Somebody's watching it. Nobody was watching it. So I gave up. And 2.5 years ago, I said to myself, look, I'm going to carry on uploading. 90-day challenge I gave myself. Upload a video a day for 90 days. No matter if no one views the videos, no one likes it, dislikes it, shares it, comments on it, I'm going to carry on doing it. And within a matter of 30-40 days, I started to see engagement, started to get people to like it, comment, share it, and the rest, as they say, is history. So you got to just keep going forward. Don't think about those internet trolls and those people who put up negative comments, because they are jealous basically. So ignore those messages, or you can just suspend them from your account if they keep on doing it. But I get comments which people put up and they don't agree with me, so that's their right to have their own opinion, and I respect that, and I will put my feedback and my comment as a reply, so that's fine. But yeah, don't worry about those. If you think about all these negative comments and dislikes, you won't do anything and you will not achieve anything in life. Okay, Pratik, you are running on manual CPC. Then you need to keep a close eye on your search term report, see what are being triggered, and keep adding negative words as negative, search terms as negative keywords. I never said I don't prefer DKIs. It's just that it needs to be used cleverly. If you just have a DKI with a keyword in it as a default keyword, you do the same, I do the same, and both the ads are going to look the same, both the headlines. I'm not saying that don't use it. It's just that I don't prefer it that way. I want to write my own ads. But DKIs can be used very creatively if you want to insert a keyword or a location name or a color in it. So that can be done very cleverly as well. But you need to use your imagination of it. Belief systems. I like your name very much. Yeah, nice name. How to follow up the conversions once the call is triggered, as the time is just 30 seconds. How to follow up the conversions? What do you mean by that? That I presume you are talking about call ads, and you have set the 30-second as a conversion mark. So if somebody stays on the phone for more than 30 seconds, that's the conversion. Fair enough. The follow-up is your conversation. I mean, you just take their name, email, address, and then follow up as much as you like, really. So I'm not too sure what you are trying to ask. Hello, is it Gaius? Hope I pronounced it correctly. I'm a little late to join in here. Okay, where is the button where I kick you off? You got to be here on time, my friend. We don't allow anyone who joins in here late. All of these, Sandeep, you should see, Sandeep, how many people I've kicked off on from my live stream. But welcome. No, I'm just kidding. 4 o'clock, right? Remember that. What's the topic of today's stream? Oh my God. You need to rewind this video and watch it again. Okay? It's in the title. Sandeep, can we do YouTube SEO for discovery ads? No, SEO is organic, and that's the whole point of running ads, so that you don't need to do any SEO. SEO is going to take you months, if not years, or maybe weeks, and if not months. But with these ads, I can be on top of Google page 1 or top of Google or YouTube page 1 or at the top as soon as the ads are approved within a matter of hours. So you're confusing the ads with the SEO. Okay. Pratik, if I'm getting clicks at a particular bid, shall I reduce it to lower budget? Not really, because if you are getting a click at a bid and they're converting, why would you reduce the budget? Or you should need, if you need to look where your wastage is. Where is the cash or the budget bleeding away, and where the budget and the bids are performing. You can't just have a blanket rule, oh, I'm going to reduce everywhere because I don't have the budget. You increase the budget where it is performing, the ad groups and the keywords, and the ones which are not, you start reducing them or start to kill them off. Brilliant. Okay, I think I've covered one more, last one, Safali. I'm running a display ad, okay. Lightbox ad type, it's approved but not working. I removed the audience and I have only kept keywords as you suggested last time, but still not working. Safali, there could be a number of reasons. Without looking at your campaign, I won't be able to give you any advice, but yeah, don't overlap your targeting, otherwise you are going to narrow it down a lot. If it's still not running and you only targeted one type of targeting, which is the keywords or the audience, keep bidding up. So if you are bidding, let's say 50 cents, bid up to £3 or $3 or something like that, go high, 6 times it, right? Don't be scared, because it will not charge you what you are bidding. Google is only going to charge you a little bit more than your next best competitor. So bid up. Once you start getting those not the conversions, the clicks, then you start reducing the bids, and then you will know the sweet spot as to where the click bid is. The best way to get conversions, which is the best way? Google ads, Facebook ads? Well, the best way to get conversions is to have a great offer, great price, great ad, and target your right audience, and you will get it. So it's a science. It's not everybody who, excuse me, everybody is going to start getting conversions from day one. You need to start to work on it, optimize it, test it, and then scale it. Okay, enough of me talking. I need a glass of water. So thank you all for being with me here today. I shall be back again tomorrow with some more Google ads for you. So till then, stay safe and goodbye.